Alright, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a quick video for you guys just to show you guys how quick things happen. But I started recording a little bit late this morning, but it is what it is. Um, I identified the stock BLPH. So we know go time is our entry, right? So I started recording a little bit late, but you guys can actually see what happened. So we know go time is our entry. This green line here, that is our entry. So we're waiting for it to break above go time. As you can see, it's already 9:30:05. Um, I pressed the record button a little late. Normally, I press the record button around 9:29 and 30 seconds, but I don't know. I just forgot to hit the record button. I thought I hit it, but it is what it is. But yeah, check out this move right here. Check out this move. Check what happened. All right, I'm just gonna push play. We know where our entry is. All you gotta do is jump in, smash that button, and get in. Hit those hotkeys and get in, or just place your order and wait for yourself to be filled. Okay, so watch this real quick. Boom. So 9:30 just hit. This thing is popping up. Now I just made a big move from 645 all the way up to 690. So I'm banking that it's gonna hit the $7 mark. So I'm holding it. It's having a little bit of resistance there, and I'm selling, and I actually got filled right below $7, but good enough for me. So that's how fast these things typically happen. I'm gonna rewind it really quick. Oh yeah, and this thing popped up again. I gotta get rid of this scanner thing. So I had to close this off. My order was sitting in. Boom, 9:30 hits, and this thing just pops all the way up. Now you have plenty of time to sell. Even if you sold somewhere around here or there, you'd still be profitable. But it's all about knowing what stocks to pick every morning and when to jump in, when to jump out. Once you understand how to identify these stocks, I mean, it's like almost every day. Some weeks, some days are slow, but on the average, there's always a stock doing something similar. And you can see I trade the same exact strategy every single day. I never change anything. It's the same strategy every single day. I wait for go time and I'm in. And look, this thing's flying high now. So yeah, and this was 1 minute, 1 minute worth of work. Just imagine if you bought in at 6:45 and you sold somewhere around here. Look, it's 2 minutes later. You could have still been profitable. You know what I mean? So it's very easy once you understand what you're doing. But yeah, when you don't know what you're doing, it becomes frustrating and it's very difficult. But yeah, I hope you guys got some value out of this one. Just wanted to show you guys how quick things happen, and you're able to make a profit for yourself. All right, guys, have a good one.